Articulated bus.
Hey, friends! Have you ever seen a super long bus that looks like it's split in two? That's called an articulated bus. These buses are used in big cities to carry lots of people. The coolest thing is the middle part can bend when the bus turns corners. Isn't that awesome?
Trams.
If you've ever seen a small train running through a city, that's a tram. Trams run on tracks, but share the roads with cars and bikes. They're usually used for short trips in busy towns. Some even get their electricity from wires above. How cool is that?
Ambulance?
You've probably heard the wee-woo sound before, right? That's an ambulance. It's used to take sick or injured people to the hospital. Inside, there's a little bed and medical equipment. Ambulances are always in a hurry, so everyone makes way for them.
Patrol cars.
If you see a white car with red or blue flashing lights on top, that's a police patrol car. Their job is to keep us safe. They drive around the city making sure everything is okay. Sometimes they even chase cars that break the rules. Busy job, huh?
Bullet trains.
You know super fast trains? Those are bullet trains. In Japan, they're called Shinkansen. These trains can zoom over 300 km/h. Their front looks like a bullet, so that's how they got the name. They're perfect for traveling long distances quickly.
City bus.
City buses are smaller than articulated buses, but they can still carry a lot of people. They usually stop at bus stops around the city. Riding a city bus is fun because you can sit back and look out the window at the scenery.
Double-decker bus.
Double-decker buses are so cool. They have 2 levels, so you can choose to sit upstairs or downstairs. In England, these buses are red and are used to tour places like London. Sitting on the top deck and seeing the city sounds like so much fun.
Fire truck ladder.
Fire trucks with long ladders are used to put out fires in tall buildings. The long ladder can reach super high places. Isn't it amazing how these trucks help firefighters save people and keep everyone safe?
Garbage truck.
Garbage trucks are super important. They pick up trash from houses and take it to landfills. The back of the truck can open up to load all the garbage. Without garbage trucks, our neighborhoods would get really messy.
Tanker truck.
Tanker trucks are big trucks that carry liquids like gas, oil, or even water. Their tanks are round to keep the liquids safe inside while traveling. These trucks are so important for delivering fuel to gas stations.
Cargo jet.
While regular airplanes carry people, cargo jets carry goods. These planes are huge because they need to fit lots of big boxes and heavy items. Cargo jets are often used to deliver things across countries. Isn't it amazing how they can fly with so much weight?
Logistics truck.
Logistics trucks are like cargo jets, but they drive on roads. These trucks deliver large items to stores or warehouses. They usually have big boxes on the back to keep everything safe. Trucks like these are super handy.
Jimy Cars.
Jimy cars are small but super strong. They're often used for off-road adventures on rocky or muddy roads. They look so cool and are perfect for exciting trips in nature.
Double trailer truck.
Double trailer trucks have two long parts in the back to carry more stuff. They're usually used for long trips. Because they're so long, the drivers have to be really careful when turning. These trucks are amazing because they can carry so much.
Mixer truck.
Have you ever seen a truck with a big spinning drum on the back? That's a mixer truck. It's used to mix cement so it stays soft while being delivered to construction sites. The drum keeps spinning so the cement doesn't harden. So cool!
Auto transport carrier.
Auto transport carriers are trucks used to carry new cars from factories to showrooms. They can carry lots of cars at once, stacked on top and bottom levels. These trucks are so strong, and they look super impressive.